How you doing, guys? And welcome back to the show. But today's a special show. Alright guys, and welcome back, and here we go with the next episode of Cito at Bimini, and this is part 2. If you guys haven't seen part 1, make sure to check it out. A link of the video is going to be in the description below. So Cito and Laz and the girls jumped in the boat and headed over to Bimini, and now it's the second day. Good morning. We're going to see where the girls are eating breakfast. Let's try to find out. Good morning.
Do you want some coffee? No que queda.
You guys got that gorgeous view. Looks nice.
Look at these pictures.
How was your coffee?
Delicious.
It was good?
We're missing the Cuban coffee.
That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to the bar over there to get some coffee because I didn't like the coffee here, so we're gonna go get some coffee over there. And shout out to Big John's. We had a good time at Big John's last night. We ate, it was really nice. And today we're gonna probably go fishing. Right in front of Bimini, and as you can see, this guy loves fishing. He has awesome equipment, and some people take their hobbies very serious and they invest a lot of money in your hobby. Whether
I'm that guy.
You invest in your hobby. Look at this.
Gotta have the right gear, you won't catch a fish.
Look at this. So, how many tournaments have you done?
We ain't got enough battery on that camera.
He is an offshore fisherman. You've done kite fishing and all that?
I've done it all, buddy.
He's done it all. So he's done a lot of stuff. So he's gonna take us to a nice spot so we could do some little bottom fishing, maybe troll a little bit. But we're gonna see what happens. I have no clue what's gonna happen, but we're excited. We're fishing with some different mixtures of bait. I know we got sardines, right?
Sardines are to cut up for tuna.
Cut up for tuna. But what is this? This is the Ballyhoo vibes.
Ballyhoo.
Ballyhoo. Fresh ballyhoo. And then you got this little thing. I want to show this off. Look at that. These are all skirts, right? Is that what they call them?
Those are wahoo lures.
Those are wahoo lures. See? It's educated me. Look at that. That's pretty wild. I mean, a fishing game, it's really expensive, right? So this is all, you know. I'm used to just bottom fishing, hanging out, going wild. Laz has strategic, connecting to the wind, moon, planets, $85 lures. And then the birds! Follow the birds!
Follow the birds, the fish are there.
Follow the birds, the fish are there. So we're gonna follow the birds today, I guess. This is how serious we are about the fishing game. That's your rod?
Yeah.
It's a girl with a big rod.
I don't like it.
That's not good.
I don't know if that's a good thing. A girl
big
with
rod energy.
That's a problem.
a girl with a big rod is a problem.
Big rod energy.
I love it.
I think I am
All right, girls, a big run.
all of the male species coming out of that.
Oh, for sure.
Oh, you were like the fisherman's dream.
A hot chick walking out with a fucking electric reel. That's like going to do some big fishing.
Yes.
So you ready to go fishing?
Yes. I'm so
Let me see your
looking
muscles.
forward to it. Hey.
So we're gonna be using this what Lad's called cigar lead with a cable on it, and we're gonna troll down that way, and we're about 661 feet, 67 feet. All right, so what do we got going on here?
Troll around for a wahoo or two. We'll see. And then try to work the birds and see if we find some dolphin. But in the meantime, we're going to let the girls pick what lure they like. Since it's a cloudy day, we're going to go with something bright. Ready? Pink? Pinky, 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 pinky.
That's it. Pink is the color.
Hold that.
Very nice. Yeah.
So that's called a shot cord.
400-pound test. Because braid doesn't have any give. So if you get a hit, it's pop.
It pops it.
This is 400-pound test. So this has play. And these fish, wahoo hit,
They hit
70 miles an hour.
They hit hard. So how much are you gonna let go? It tells you right there?
100 meters. This is in meters.
That's in meters. That, okay.
This is not the time of year for wahoo, but you might get a straggler or two. We'll see.
It's exciting. So how many knots are we going?
15 miles an hour. I troll anywhere between 15 and 17.
It's exciting. I hope we get a strike.
Now we'll find something else.
My first time fishing for wahoo, believe it or not. That's gonna be cool. I hope we get a last set of those straggler. That's what you call it?
Now watch. Look over here. See the depth?
Yeah.
142, right?
It dropped.
This is called the ledge.
It's called the ledge. Keep your eye on the footage, on the depth.
Here's something. We just came off the ledge. Watch when it grabs the depth again. Anywhere between 3 to 700. There you go.
Wow. See how quick it dropped? Watch it drop again.
Well, what you do is a figure 8. You do this. You zigzag. Off and on the ledge.
What do you do?
Zigzag.
Off and on the edge. And that's the ledge right there on the radar, right? this, you think we're gonna catch one, put a thumbs up right now and leave a comment. Alright, so no wahoo luck. So, you know, it's not that time of year, but we tried anyways. We're gonna deep drop now. And you can see the electric reels, we're reeling it in. Electric reels plugged in. So no wahoo action today. It's a little too warm, but we tried anyways. And we're gonna deep drop. We're gonna put one on each hook. So Les saw some birds right over there. They're right in front of us. They're diving in. And we gotta chum up the water, so this is what we're gonna do.
Here, fishy, 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 fish.
You gotta cut them up in chunks. So we're doing this to chum up the water.
You can get down and dirty with it.
They're frozen together, we gotta break them apart. See?
You just sprinkled some fish.
It looks like a fish. Made with fish.
Art.
It's a fish made of fish, lads.
Put it in one wood.
It's pretty artistic.
Hang it on the wall in Wynwood.
There you go.
Sell it for $10,000.
There you go.
So we're gonna start throwing them over the side. We need a ballot.
Gotta go on and get it tighter.
There you go.
Well, they tried every trick in the book, but no luck. But they sure had fun in the sun, out in the ocean, and beautiful waters of Bimini.
Now we're gonna go to the pool party here at the Bimini Resort, and let's hope it goes fun and well. And how Fresco says, fun in the sun, but it's a little cloudy today, so we still rock out.
So if you're liking this video so far and it's your first time watching the channel, make sure to like the video and subscribe and turn on all notifications. Like that you're not gonna miss any more regular episodes and special episodes in the future. And if you want to keep up with the daily posts, make sure to follow Fresco Channel on Instagram.
Let it rip.
Right here.
Let it rip. Let it rip.
That's it. Let's go.
Right here?
Okay, right here. Right here.
On the count of three, let it rip.
My phone ran out of battery. I'm sorry. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming to Resorts World Bimini. Night number one.
Let it ride, let it ride, let it ride.
Right here.
I'm gonna play it back up.
Hey! Hey!
I'll put my shorts back on, but I'm gonna dance like my I'll put my dress
So lads, what are we doing right now?
We're about to break into a house in Bimini. But it happens to be a house that I kind of know some people, but it really isn't breaking an entry when you're limping an entry.
Oh, I like that. I like that. It's one of the cool little houses here in Bimini. It's really nice. We're waiting for the girls. What's going on right now?
We're about to walk into Resorts World Bimini Casino. Night number 1 of the Freestyle in Paradise party. So, woo!
I tried those coladas and I'm like, hey, put it all in.
I'm in. What's going on?
What up?
We out here. Fresco Channel.
Bimini, 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 Bimini.
Bimini.
Well, it looks like Cito and the girls and Laz are having a great time at Bimini. I mean, they had no luck fishing, but I think they had plenty of luck having fun when they got back to the pool and now here at the club. But the fun didn't stop here, because remember, they were here for 3 days and they got one more to go. And on the last day, they had plenty of fun at a pool party.
So whatever we celebrating, let's celebrate it together. Let's go.
So make sure to tune in for the next episode.